so tall. I can't see my eyes.
I used to be alone. It's easy to be alone. And I don't mind to be alone. But what if I get the chance to be not alone? Me and my best friend's gonna have a crazy, spontaneous adventures together. It might be a lot to him, but we make it through it. So if you're interested, please keep watching. But it's super messy in Tristan's studio. I mean, if you know him, he's pretty messy. No, I'm just kidding. That's what all creative does. But anyway, I'm gonna try pack, and I hope I don't lose more stuff. I lost my lens cap already, but I brought like something like you can just cover it.
Vive la drogue dans le sport, les mecs qui vont vachement plus vite. Vive la drogue dans le sport, les mecs qui sont vachement plus forts. Vive la drogue dans le sport, les mecs qui vont vachement plus vite. Vive la drogue.
I'm not sexy either.
This is a smoking area. Smoking area is the no mask zone now. I can finally breathe. Smoke.
Why is COVID just a joke and they just want you to clean? I have this special magic that can make anything round. But what's your real thought?
I'm scared. Show up here. There's nowhere to stay. So we walk down some dirt path. Like, hey, do you know anywhere to stay? And everyone says, no, nowhere to stay. Nowhere to stay in this town of, there's freaking fires everywhere. They're burning trash. It's just all dirt. There's a lot of dirt everywhere. There's stray dogs. See, we're scared of the stray dogs. I don't really know I don't know what to think, but Caesar said, drink the juice.
That's so fast.
Well, it wasn't much of a shower. More of the hose that was crooked coming out of the wall. Oh, come to La Saladita. You have fresh showers.
So we arrived yesterday. I think we were being too spontaneous because I thought we found a place to stay. And I asked a friend called Diego, and he was like 18 years old, and I trusted him. But turned out after we got here, there's no place to stay. So we just asked one by one, and there's still no place to stay. But at the end, we found places to stay. But still, like, it was pretty rough. I'm so sorry, Michelle. I supposed to take care of your son. If you're watching, I'm so sorry. But anyway, we found a place to stay. People say La Saladita is where you fall in love. So, are we going to fall in love?
No, I look like shit, Tristan. This is I haven't slept 2 days.
The weather is onshore, 15 knots, about 1.5 millimeter waves, a little bit of a slight drizzle, but we're still gonna get wet. We're gonna surf.
Car s'ils avaient mangé des steaks saignants comme tout le monde, peut-être qu'aujourd'hui ils seraient les maîtres du monde. Quand il y aura plus de jambon, on mangera des pigeons. Quand il y aura plus de bichons, on boulottera les rats. Si c'est le jour du poisson, on pêchera dans les égouts. Mais s'il y a que du tofu, merci c'est sans façon. Je mange des vaches, je mange des animaux. Je me lèche les doigts, je suce les os. Avec la bouche, je fais un manteau.
So we went surfing during sunset, and the waves quite small, but we had lots of fun. This is so pretty.
So romantic.
Oh yeah. Now it's a kiss time. Oh, tonight's a salsa night. There are lots of people. That's how we get COVID.
You still said it.
Here, just go this and give everyone. Put this on. Everyone, please. Put this on. This is our home. We have no choice, man. Look. He's ready. He's ready to show me some ass. Ooh, show me some ass. Look at him, so excited.
Qui mettent à nu pour leur harem leur anatomie babouinesque. Il n'y en avait que pour un moment. Elle arrivait dans un instant sur un panneau, un poisson chic d'un orange fluorescent. Initiait tous les passants au rudiment du sens civique et aux problèmes d'environnement qui se combattent en slip de bain.
So Michelle got me some essential, and she got me deodorant, and she got me like lip balm and face mask and a bunch of like body cream and stuff. So I never had something like that before, like, cause usually I always travel alone. No one really say, hey, this is a little survival kit for you. But she got me a survival kit and some tape if I get injured. That's really kind of you. Thank you, Michelle.